In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete invoices from your Square account. Whether you're tidying up your records or just need to remove an unwanted entry, we'll walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you're comfortable using. Once there, head over to the Square website. Now, you know how important it is to ensure you're on the official Square site to avoid any security mishaps, so take an extra second to verify the URL in your address bar is indeed correct. Next, you'll need to log into your account. This is a pretty straightforward step. Enter your username and password, and you'll be on your way. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, make sure to have your phone at hand to enter the verification code you'll receive. Once logged in, it's time to navigate your way to the Invoices section. It might be located on your dashboard or under a menu item. Just look for a button or menu tab labeled Invoices or something similar. When you're in the Invoices section, you'll see a list of all the invoices you've created. At this point, you need to select the specific invoice you wish to delete. Take a few moments to double-check that you're selecting the right one because, once deleted, it might not be retrievable. Find the invoice in question and give it a quick review to be certain. Next, look to the right of the invoice in your list for the ellipsis icon, often represented by 3 dots. This small icon can sometimes blend in, but it's crucial because this is where additional options are often housed. After clicking on that icon, you'll see a small menu appear with several options, one of which should be Delete. This option is your key to removing the unwanted invoice from your records. Select Delete, and you may be prompted to confirm your choice. This is an essential step, as it acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions. Confirm that you indeed want to delete the invoice, and just like that, you've successfully removed an invoice from your Square account. It's a simple process, but it's always best approached with a bit of caution to ensure you're deleting the right document. Keep in mind that cleaning up your invoices is a great way to maintain organized and up-to-date financial records. So, you might want to make this part of your regular account maintenance routine. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other ways you can manage your Square account to streamline your business operations.